Welcome viewers. Today in this video we will see pressure transmitter, which is an instrument we mostly use in the industrial process. So different types of instrument we use, like pressure transmitter, flow transmitter, level transmitter, level switch, flow switch, and different type pressure switch, pressure gauge, different types of instruments we are using in the industrial process. So today in this video I will show you step by step how it works, how we can connect this instrument to our PLC, how the connection is made, which type of cable we will use. I will show all the details. You can see here we have the pressure rating is mentioned 0 to 16 bar. It means that this pressure indicated transmitter has a minimum pressure of 0 and the maximum has 16 bar. So this you can see here with PIT0202, this is the tag number. So why this tag number is given? Because we have many types of field devices are connected. So it is very important to give tag number to the each devices, because we have to give connection to our industrial switches, and further we have to give connection to the PLC. So if we will give proper tagging, then we can trace the cable accordingly. Now we will see that how it is connected in the field. How it is connected in the field. This one is manifold. You named it as manifold. This is two-way manifold. One end is controlled from here and the other is controlled from here. So this part will be connected in the transmitter from the here. From here it will be connected with this transmitter, and further this side of this manifold it will be connected through tubing to the over pipelines, over walls, anything that on which we will going to install. We want to measure the pressure, we will install on that. So this manifold, this side will be connected to pressure transmitter this side, and these are the two openings in which we control this pressure transmitter. And from here this end we can connect to the through tubing, we will connect to the over pipelines or any other or tanks or anything that we need to measure the pressure. So now we will see in a simple way that how we can connect this one in the field. This is our pressure indicated transmitter, so we give this to tag number 0201. Why we are giving tag? Because we have many other field devices also, like flow indicator transmitter, like level indicator transmitter, and pressure indicator transmitter. We have more than one. So we will give proper tagging to this one in order to properly trace out the cable. So from here pressure indicator transmitter we will use PLTC cable, power limited tray cable. We will use this from the field instrument to our industrial Ethernet switches. This industrial Ethernet switch is used as a bridge, because over all the field devices are connected with this industrial Ethernet switches. You can see here we will use PLTC cable, or you can say instrument cable, and this pressure indicator transmitter is supporting Profibus communication protocol. We have different types of communication protocol. We will discuss in the upcoming lectures what is Profibus, Profinet, what is Modbus communication. We will see in the upcoming lectures. Right now just we will see that this pressure indicator transmitter can communicate through Profibus. From further this IES, it will go to the input of the PLC. This PIT pressure indicator transmitter will sense the pressure, will measure the pressure, and converts this pressure into this electrical signal, 4 to 20 milliamp signal. This 4 to 20 milliampere signal. This 4 milliampere is actually your minimum and this is your maximum. So it will measure this pressure and convert this into electrical signal, which is 4 to 20 milliamps. Then it will goes to the IES switch. From IES switch it is go to the PLC. From IES to the PLC we are mostly using FOC cable, fiber optic cable. From PLC to valve we can use different types of cable. We can use, depends upon our requirement we can use. So FOC cable we are using here. So here you can see. So when it is converted into 4 to 20 milliamps, then goes to IES switch. From IES switch to over goes to PLC input. Then this PLC will compare that signal to the desired output. For example, we adjust our requirement of the pressure, for example low pressure, high pressure. So according to, we adjusted the PLC. So PLC will compare this signal and will and its output will be connected to the valve or a pump. So according to our requirement, PLC will send signal to the pump to operate, to valve to open or a close, to pump to open or a close. So in this way the whole system is connected in the fields. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.